Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another practical video tutorials. My name is vaezi. I'm the founder of Digito.com. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to design professional landing page as simple as that drag and drop in WordPress using the Elementor page builder. And you'll learn how we can explode ourselves and turn lots of users to customers. So guys, if you're new here watching my videos, make sure to click subscribe and turn on notifications. So stay tuned, we're gonna come back soon. Alright guys, so before we get started, I'm gonna tell you exactly what the landing page is and how to use that in the digital marketing. Landing page is a standalone web page created specifically for a marketing or advertising campaign. Pay attention guys, landing page don't replace your website's homepage. There is a difference between them in design and goal. I actually think landing page is an important factor in your digital marketing strategy because they increase the rates users to customers. For example, you run a campaign for your website and get users from Google Ads or organic search or from social media to your landing page. After attracting users from all over the web, now you guys wait for them to become customers of your product or maybe submit their email address or even call to action button. Generally, every goal you had to make this page. Okay, let's continue by desktop and exactly explain to y'all. Are you ready guys? Here we go. Alright guys, in this tutorial you will learn exactly how to design a professional landing page and how to promote your product using the Elementor page builder. Right now I have a PSC design that I found this in uplabs.com. You know, if you're looking to best design for a career landing page or website or application, I suggest you go to the uplabs.com. The uplabs.com is one of the biggest platforms for graphic design, and you can search a landing page. Okay, after that you will see all of the design for create landing page, and I think these are really special design that's amazing for create landing page, and I'm looking to best design that can be suitable for this session. This is good. After download, open the PSC. Now you guys, at first glance you can see that I have got different section. Well, I have a special menu, and respectively I have a section that expresses the introduce of Visa card, and feature section, and promotional section for Visa card, and other section. But today I'm gonna be designing a landing page that a little bit different over this PSC, and I will show you exactly what I'm gonna do it. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. What you see on my screen, this is my website, which is named Digito.com. Guys, in this tutorial I'm using the Hello Elementor for create a landing page. The first question that might come to your mind is that why the Hello Elementor? The answer of this question is very clear, because the Hello Elementor is one of the best suggestions for create website using the Elementor page builder, because this system supported every extension or add-ons for Elementor page builder. So if you haven't installed the Elementor page builder yet, there are two versions for this plugin, the Pre and the Pro. If you're willing to purchase the premium version, check the website elementor.com. And if you want to install the free version, you can go to the plugins and add a new and search Elementor, and after install. So I'm gonna be create a new page. Click on this button under Elementor section, or you can simply go to the page and click on add new page. Open the page. First, I'm gonna give it a name. For example, imagine we're gonna be designing landing page for, I don't know, Black Friday. Let me write Black Friday. And after that, before click on this button for edit with the Elementor, make sure that your page is as a full width. I set it as a full width, which is included in the child term, so make sure that your page set a full width because we want to enter a screen, and after that click on this publish and click on this edit with Elementor. Very good. So as you can see, this is the default page that's ready for design. I mean, this is your design playground where you can add edit element over here. And on the left side is the Elementor panel. Here you can see all of the block for create content, from headline until whatever, when you install the extension or add-ons for Elementor. Or you can search a specific element, for example, tab. Okay, or whatever. So let's see our PSD design. After header, we need two columns for Visa card and the text editor. I'm gonna drag in inner section over here, and the right section I'm gonna drag in image right section and choose a image, insert media, and the left over we need to text editor, we need to headline, and we need to text editor for this section before under headline. So right now we need to background for this section. In this background is a gradient. Okay, click on this edit section, and you will see 3 tabs. You will be working with to customize your section. In a layout, you have a few options, and under search section, when you want to have an entire screen of this section, if you click on this yes, and content width, you can choose a between box and the full width, the height, you can drag in down or up, and go to the style and choose a gradient background, first color, the second color, but the image, the better off that's the PNG. Very good. And the headline, I'm gonna give it the color, the white, and the text editor also I'm gonna give it a white. So right now we need to shape the divider. Okay, in the button choose a waves and click on flip, in the white, we need to increase high. This can be suitable for this section. Let's see our PSD design. Very good. Guys, I gotta tell you exactly the important tips, and that is in the landing page you should use the CTA in your landing page, because after attracting user from all over the web, now you guys, you need to the CTA or button for lead your user to your goal. The CTA stand for call to action button. The call to action button is an important factor in your landing page. So right now I'm gonna drag in button under text editor, and the alignment is a center, the style, the box shadow, the border radius. I'm gonna give it a white color. Okay, very good. Let's go to the next part, and that is meet our cool features. So I'm gonna click on this plus and choose a 3-column, and we need to icon box. I'm gonna drag in left here, and you can choose between upload SVG or icon library. If you upload SVG, I suggest you go to the flaticon.com. It's one of the best websites for find SVG icon. For example, I'm gonna search in accounts. Choose it and drag in over here, insert media. Very good. Go to the style and increase spacing and increase size. And after that, go to the advanced and choose it and give it a background, for example white. And after that, I'm gonna give it a box shadow, and after that I'm gonna give it a padding. I'm gonna duplicate and drag in center. And you can change your icon in this center or right here. So after that, let's go to the next part and the promotional of Visa card. I'm gonna click on this plus and choose a 2-column. We need to text editor and headline. First, I'm gonna drag in headline, and second, I'm gonna drag in text editor under headline. So I'm gonna drag in image right here and choose a image and insert media, and I'm gonna copy the original text. You can go to the style and you can choose a between alignment, left, center, right, and justify. And I'm gonna text color, give it a text color, and the typography. For example, the most popular for fonts all around the world is Roboto. And you can give it line height. Okay, very good, guys. I'm gonna give it a margin top. Alright guys, like I said, that one of the important properties that make sure that your landing page use several CTA. So I'm gonna duplicate button like this because the CTA is an important factor in your landing page. Okay, that's cool. Let's go to next section like this. We need to column, click on this plus, and I'm gonna duplicate like this. I'm gonna drag in over here, and I'm gonna drag in image over here. Click on this choose image and insert media, and you can small and large your column. And I'm gonna give it a margin top and also I'm gonna give it a margin top for all section. Okay, I think I'm gonna give it a background for this section can be better, and the font style, and also I'm gonna duplicate button and over here. Okay guys, very good. The content of the landing page should not be too long. That's enough for now. So guys, I gotta tell you 3 important tip for conversion rates user to customer quickly. Tip number 1, use as a few internal link as possible so the user is not distracted and can better focus to call to action button. Number 2, try not to the combination of dark color, sky blue color and light color make you feel confident. Number 3, be sure to use a video inside the landing page, which can have a wonderful impact on branding. So guys, I'm gonna add a new video inside the landing page because the video can have a wonderful impact on branding and conversion rate user to customer. I'm gonna drag in video. Okay, you can put the link for your video in the YouTube or Vimeo or your host. Okay, very, very beautiful. And also I'm gonna drag in button over here and click on this advanced and the motion effects and the button. I think this element can have a wonderful impact on increasing the conversion rate because user want to get advice from you when they see these elements, or you can put the online chat. I'm gonna give it a color. For example, that's enough for now, and this is the end of recording of video tutorials for landing page, making landing page. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are doing well. I'll see you later.